Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about Melt Cosmetics. I've been wanting for a long time to try them out and see their products, but recently they came out with a palette called with a collection called Amor Eterno, and I'm super excited, and I ordered some of the pieces from the collection, the ones that I think I would use the most. And before we get into the products, I wanted to let you guys know that this is my new little 5 tidbit videos that I'm going to be doing. If you like it, please let me know in the comments below. I want to be able to provide just quick information so that you don't sit there and have to watch the whole video. I also did 2 eye looks. I did this look more in depth in a Spanish video. But if you're new here, welcome. My name is Maria Luisa. I hope you decide to stay and subscribe and hit that notification bell. I try to upload videos once a week, and let's get started. So to quickly do, I'm going to try to do this video in 5 minutes hopefully. We're going to talk about the Melt Cosmetics new Amor Eterno palette. This is the VIDA palette. It is partially vegan. It comes with this mirror. You can see here it has all these colors. It comes from reds, oranges, browns, and then all the way to green. Like I said, I think it would these colors would suit my skin tone best. The pressed pigment in this palette is this one called Alegría. So they have in their website that it is it is not approved by the FDA or Melt Cosmetics to be used on the eyelid, but other than that, I still use it, as you can see. The colors that are non-vegan in this palette are Mexicana and Sol. I think they have a little bit of carmine, which is, because it's crushed beetles. So those 2 colors are non-vegan, otherwise the rest is. This palette retails for $58, and it has mica, dimethicone. It also has different types of oils. It has, I was surprised to see, has mineral oil, olive oil, jojoba oil, and soy oil. So if you're allergic to any of those, kind of a big warning. The whole palette weighs 16.29 grams, so you get quite a bit.